Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Prisma Accelerate for faster backend setup. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Once there, navigate to the products section located in the main menu. From the drop-down, select Prisma Accelerate to access the dedicated page. On the Prisma Accelerate page, review the features and benefits to understand how it can enhance your backend development. Look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be redirected to a sign-up form. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and company information. Next, create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Once you complete the form, check the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After reviewing your information, click the Sign Up button to proceed. An email will be sent to the address you provided for verification. Open your email inbox and locate the verification email from Prisma. Click the verification link within the email to confirm your account. Return to the Prisma website and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the subscription plans section. Choose the Prisma Accelerate plan that fits your requirements. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill out the required fields with your credit card details or alternative payment method. After entering the payment information, review your order summary. If everything looks correct, click the Complete Purchase button to finalize your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your successful subscription. With your subscription activated, you can now access the Prisma Accelerate dashboard. Start using the tools and resources provided to speed up your backend setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.